Hello and welcome to our webinar on the topic of Single Touch Payroll. Single Touch Payroll, or STP, is a tax office reporting change that requires employers to report their payroll information at the same time as they pay their employees. This means you'll be required to report salaries and wages, pay-as-you-go withholdings, and superannuation every time you pay your employees. If you are using a payroll or accounting software solution that is STP compliant, you will automatically be sending information to the ATO each time you process your payroll. Information such as each employee's name and tax file number, the gross amount paid, the tax withheld on the gross, ordinary time earnings for the period, and any superannuation guarantee obligations. By reporting through Single Touch Payroll, employers need not complete pay-as-you-go withholding activity statements throughout the year, and payment summaries will be available to employees through MyGov. Single Touch Payroll became mandatory for large employers with 20 or more employees from the 1st of July 2018. From the 1st of July 2019, all Australian small business owners are required to report their payroll information to the Australian Taxation Office using Single Touch Payroll software. Businesses still preparing their payroll using manual systems will be forced to adopt a digital system, and this change has been described as the biggest compliance undertaking since the GST, with more than 700,000 employers technically required to comply with the new system by the 1st of July 2019. Employers whose current payroll software doesn't offer Single Touch Payroll reporting will need to look at new software, and a number of software developers are offering low-cost STP solutions at or below $10 per month for micro-employers with fewer than 4 employees. So why have they introduced STP? Basically, it's a more efficient way to run the tax system and will streamline business reporting and help the tax office monitor whether employers are complying with their superannuation guarantee and pay-as-you-go withholding obligations. In theory, it also makes it harder to operate in the black economy because the ATO has a better understanding of who is being paid what and when. To assist with the change, the ATO will 1. Offer micro-employers with 1 to 4 employees help to transition to STP and other alternative options. For example, allowing those who rely on a registered tax agent or BAS agent to report quarterly for the first 2 years rather than each time the payroll is run. 2. Allow small employers to start reporting any time from the 1st of July 2019 to the 30th of September 2019 and grant deferrals to small employers who request additional time to start reporting. 3. Not apply penalties for mistakes and missed or late reports for the first year. And 4. Provide exemptions from Single Touch Payroll reporting for employers experiencing hardship or in areas with intermittent or no internet connection. In summary, this is a general overview of Single Touch Payroll, and if you have any queries in relation to your payroll, withholding tax or superannuation obligations, we invite you to contact us today. Thanks for tuning in today, and we have other webinars on our website on topics like starting a business and local search marketing.